Hi, my name is Matt Emo of nVent Thermal. Welcome to RAYCHEM Connects, where we connect you to the product. Today we'll be talking about winterized enclosure installation, more specifically rails and why they're important. Rails help instrument techs install instruments faster and general contractors install enclosures faster. Let's take a closer look at what I mean with this about installing instruments inside winterized enclosures. Let's take a closer look inside of the enclosure to see what we mean about rails. You can see here are the rails attached to the instrument mounting bracket that allow for the instrument to move forward and back out of the way of the tubing. That allows for the tubing to be cut quicker and easier by field techs, and then allows for the instrument to be slid back into place for a quick and easy installation of your instrument. Thank you for joining us on this series of videos on instrument winterization. For more info, please contact your area sales manager. Thank you. Have a great day.